them out to different servicers.
Squeezing through this loophole requires Carlos to consolidate his Parent Plus loans twice.
I'm going to put together the two applications.
If you want to really get into the details, you can find them at npr.org/student loans. Right now, though, all you need to know is that after that second consolidation, the system can no longer tell that his newly consolidated loan was once a bunch of Parent Plus loans. And that accidentally opens the door to the SAVE plan, the one that could save Carlos Sanchez $1,200 a month.
Do you have any questions for me at this point?
No, I just want to say God bless you.
Let's see it through, and then we can celebrate. Once we get you SAVE, we'll celebrate a little.
That will take several months of paperwork, as well as a little luck. The irony of all of this is that the complexity of the student loan system has often, in years past, made it hard for borrowers to get the help they need. With this loophole, though, they are finally finding some relief, buried in the bureaucracy. Corey Turner, NPR News.
This is NPR News.
Support for WNYC comes from Focus Features, presenting Alexander Payne's The Holdovers. 4 students get left behind with their least favorite teacher over Christmas break, starring Paul Giamatti, rated R, and select theaters Friday. Pace University. Pace is committed to helping people go further with programs in environmental law, finance, nursing, and the performing arts in New York City, Westchester County, and online. Learn more at gogetters.pace.edu.
Two companies that together account for around 10% of the S&P 500 stock index will reveal quarterly results today.
Marketplace Morning Report is supported by Amazon Business, helping provide a smarter, easier way to get the supplies businesses need to thrive. Amazon Business, your partner for smart business buying. And by Betterment, the automated investing platform that helps make it easy to be invested for the long term. Learn more at Betterment.com. Investing involves risk.
I'm David Brancaccio. Two heavyweight tech companies with results due today are Microsoft and Alphabet. They kick off several weeks of profits, losses, and outlooks from big tech firms, which overall are expected to have done quite well in the 3 months ending September. Marketplace's Nova Safo is following this.
Just a few months ago, forecasters expected the information technology sector to show earnings growth of less than 0.5% during the third quarter. That's according to FactSet. Since then, the data firm says expectations have improved dramatically, fueled by the promise of artificial intelligence and a resilient economy. But while revenue is expected to be strong overall, it won't necessarily mean robust profits across the board. At Alphabet, analysts are looking for continued growth in its cloud services unit and for continued ad sales momentum at Google, something the company reported in its previous quarter. Microsoft has benefited from the anticipation of a generative AI boom. It's also spending aggressively on the technology. Capital expenditures totaled nearly $11 billion in the quarter ending in June. The company has warned that it will take several more quarters until its investments bear fruit. I'm Nova Safo for Marketplace.
Results from General Electric are also due today. S&P futures are up 0.4% now. NASDAQ futures are up 0.5%, about 2.5 hours here before markets officially open. With the United Auto Workers strike deep into a 6th week, the Anderson Economic Group based in Michigan has a new estimate on losses in the strike so far, $9.6 billion for the economy. This includes $2.7 billion for the 3 car and truck companies and $579 million in lost compensation for union workers. Suppliers, dealers, and customer losses make up the balance. General Motors reports quarterly results shortly, Ford on Thursday.
Only 2 weeks of the strike were in the third quarter, says analyst David Whiston at Morningstar.
So because of that, the Q3 numbers may not be that bad.
It's the forecast for the rest of the year that's the issue, says economist Ned Hill at The Ohio State University.
This really is like a game of, I don't know if it's Jenga or Rubik's Cube.
If it goes on long enough, the strike could eventually cut into sales, and it's likely the resulting contract will raise labor costs. The UAW is pushing for wage increases, and they can use healthy profits as leverage, says Michelle Kaminsky, a professor of labor relations at Michigan State.
They're saying, we helped you earn this money, and we believe we deserve a share of it.
The union is also demanding new EV battery plants be unionized. Ford recently paused construction of one in Michigan, and GM said it will delay production of an electric pickup over uncertainty about the EV market. I'm Megan McCarty-Carino for Marketplace.
Marketplace Morning Report is supported by Charles Schwab. Schwab believes every investor deserves to work with a firm they can count on. That's why Schwab has financial consultants ready to serve their clients, plus professional answers and 24/7 live help. Learn more at schwab.com. And by C3 AI. C3 Generative AI provides ChatGPT enterprise search that is verifiable, secure, and accurate across all enterprise data. C3.ai. This is Enterprise AI.
It's 6:57.